What's up guys, this is your man DC, and today I'm here to teach you about how to make a comment in Java. Alright, the first way to make a comment is just type this before your line, alright, like the way you see, and you can also type after a statement or a variable. Alright, then there is, if you want to read something, just make a pause in your video and you can read. So the second is multi-line comments. It's, you just made like this, the way you see. This is the comment that you want, and you must use them inside these silos. Alright, and this is another way. As I have shown, like this is the single comment inside the multiple line comment. Alright, and this is documentation comments. Alright, you just type like this, or you can type like this. Now let's see how does it fit in our Java class. Okay, I had to copy all those comments, just type it here. If you want to, I had made my Java class. If you want to learn how to make a Java class, your free Java class, just watch the first lesson that I have made. So in this case, I'm just going to save because I have made the Java. It's in this folder. This is my file. This is the file that I have made, type Java in the previous lesson. Then I'm just going to CMD. As you see, is already in the path. I'm going to D. I'm already inside that folder. This is our first Java class. Okay, we are going to compile with command Java C. It's already, I have already explained everything in the previous video. If you want to learn, just go there and you can find. Alright, even about these things, about the syntax error and these things. Okay, Java, we are going to compile. Okay, it's compiled nicely. So now we are going to read to see what we have done. As you see, we have made another first dot class. This is the file that we made to make our computer understand what we are. It's like we translate the Java, we translate the Java language to bytecode language to make our computer understand the program. All right. So now we are going to run, but before that, let's clear. We are going to run the command to run in Java, and the name of our class in this case is first, like that, and we run. As you see, this is just printing hello world, the thing that we wanted to print. As you see, system out print hello world, and it didn't print our comments. This is the idea of using comments. Okay guys, this is my short video. This is a short video that I made to you, and I hope to be very useful for you. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe in the channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.